Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how I built this amazing SciPy calculator website using Lovable Dev without writing a single line of code. If you're into investing and want to create your own finance tools, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. What is SciPy and why it's important? SciPy or systematic investment plan is a method of investing in mutual funds where you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals. It helps in wealth accumulation over time through the power of compounding. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, an SIP calculator can be a game changer in planning your finances. Now, let's talk about Lovable Dev. It's a no-code platform that lets you build web apps easily. You don't need any coding skills, just type in prompts and watch your app come to life. Perfect for finance enthusiasts who want to create tools without coding headaches. Now let's move to the website. Firstly, sign up and log in. Go to lovable.dev and sign up for a free account. Once inside, create a new project and name it CP Calculator. Now let's generate the calculator with prompts. In the prompt box, describe the tool you want to create. Example, create an CP calculator that takes monthly investment period in years, and expected return percentage as inputs, and calculates the future value of the investment. Lovable.dev will automatically generate the tool based on your instructions. Next, we need to refine and customize. If needed, tweak the prompt to adjust input fields, button labels, or layout. Test different prompts to refine the user experience. Now let's customize the design. It is completely optional, but if you want, you can change colors, fonts, and button styles to make it visually appealing. Now testing and publishing, run the calculator with different inputs to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, publish your site and share it with others. And that's it. You've just built your own SIP calculator website without coding. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more no-code tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you want to build next. See you in the next video.